How to download your post on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download your post on BeReal. First open BeReal and then click on your BeReal here, and now click these 3 points in the top corner, and after that just click download, and that's it. As you see, BeReal, save it, and that's it. Now just go back, and you can delete it if you want. Just click delete my BeReal, and I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.